whispered your name like a warning in shadows, like your light was a fire they feared in the night. They tried to erase every dream in your eyes, tried to bury your wings before you could fly. They thought if they broke you, the world would forget you. If they closed every door, you would fade from the sky. But every tear falling quietly in darkness was heaven recording the reason you rise. You were walking through storms with a heart full of scars, but the sky knew your story and it carried your star. They tried to break you, tried to silence your flame, tried to erase every trace of your name, but heaven was watching you. Every step that you made, every wound they left turned into your flame. If only they knew what the stars always knew, the girl they tried to silence was chosen to break through. You smiled while the world placed the weight on your shoulders, carrying storms nobody could see. They thought your kindness was only your weakness, but it was the strength that would set you free. Every moment they thought you were losing was destiny quietly opening doors. Every shadow that tried to surround you was proof you were meant to be more. Kimse bilmez kalbinde kopan fırtınayı sessizce ağladığın o uzun geceleri. Seni durdurmak istediler defalarca ama kader yazılmıştı gökyüzünde. Tanrı seni korudu her adımında, düştüğün yerden daha güçlü kalktın. Kırıldıkça ışığın daha çok parladı, çünkü yolun yıldızlarla çizilmişti. Every tear became a river, every wound became a prayer, and the angels kept whispering, don't stop, we are there. They thought your story was ending, they thought the night had won, but the darkest hour was on.